Miss Riley. Oh! Oh! Hey! Hey!
So obviously we've taken a cucumber, cut little strips of it, rice vinegar, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of salt. And we're gonna let that marinate. While that's marinating, I'm gonna get my persimmon. We're gonna dice that. A little bit of sugar. Persimmon gives you a little
Where's
bit of that
Papa?
sweetness. We're gonna take our persimmon.
Where's
and our
Papa?
pepper. We're gonna mix that together. Creme fraiche mousse that we're gonna
Don't
put
put
on
in the couch, ha?
Any tips for the young chefs out there? Taste. You need to understand how flavor develops, and I think a lot of people.
You want to come here? Hmm? You want to come here?
You don't need on there.
It's hard surface. You don't like that.
Blackjack card counting. People think that blackjack card counting is harder than it is, first of all, in my opinion. It's much easier than that. I mean, literally, I say...
Come to Mama.
He's not coming there.
Come here.
My name's Taylor.
Here, Riley. Oh, the water now is not that much cold. Come on. It's play. You want to come here? Come down here. Come down. Come down. Here. Come on. Let's go there outside. Hey, come on. Let's go there inside. Hey, come on. There you go. We're here.
First, let me show you what I'm looking at. This is an inflatable stand-up paddleboard. Normally $160. It's for sale for
Woo. You're here outside. Where's the other bird? Say hello. Hello. Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa. Hello, Riley. Hello. Hi. You want to go, Papa? Okay.
Hello.
Papa. Hello. Gloomy day. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, mga palangga. Oh, one more kiss. One more kiss from Papa. Oh, very sweet. Kiss. One more. Oh, very sweet. Very sweet bird. You miss Papa? It's a gloomy day. It's a nice, nice day. Riley. Hello. Uy. Ang sweet nila ang dalawa nagkikiss. Hello. Riley. Riley. Look, Mama. Dancing. Home sweet home. Walang gala today, kaya walang kami tambay kami sa aming tambayan, mga palangga. Diba? Woke up like this. Good morning, mga palangga.